Hello everyone, I'm Othai in the United States. I purchased wooden chairs for a long time and then I would like to float them, but I don't remember how. I think about many of you may have this chair too or interested to know. This one need to open inside and push down, and then the chair gonna open as a chair. Somebody may strong to just open the legs. Me, I can't, so I use my foot step on the backside of the chair and then pull the leg apart, as you see. And also when I wanted to float it, I must do the same. My husband has this table since he moved to this house, I guess, before I moved to the United States. But the chair came with the table were different. They were in bad shape. Then at first I sold the cover and used them for a while before I get rid of them and purchase the wooden chairs. Now we purchased a new table set, nicer. See again how to float the chair and set up the chair. When float the chair, pull the back side up and push down. I don't have the string to put down, then I put on the floor. That's it. This is how to float the chair. And open it, set it up, so push the inside seat, and I took my step on the bottom and then pull. As you see, easier, right? Who is stronger than me? You don't need to use your foot. You just use your string and open the legs. Thank you. Bye.